Hey friends, if you wish to fix this issue where WhatsApp desktop is not working on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. Now, WhatsApp has two versions. One is the browser version, which is web.whatsapp.com, and the other one is the app version, which is available on the Microsoft Store. So search for Store and search for WhatsApp. This is the app version. Okay, now if this doesn't work, then straight away search for WhatsApp in the Windows search bar and click on the download pointing arrow. Select app settings, scroll down, select terminate, click on repair, wait for it to repair the files. If and wait till you get a tick mark here. If it helps, well and good. If not, then reset it. Okay, this should fix it in most of the cases, resetting it. But if it does not, simply uninstall the WhatsApp application and then go to the Microsoft Store once again and reinstall it. So this will surely fix the issue with WhatsApp desktop on your Windows 11 computer. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.